Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And today I'm in a live trade on Nvda. Today is the 23rd of June 2022. It's a Thursday. And we have a overlapping lower value on the Camarilla levels on Nvda. So let me pull out the Epic Pen. Right, so yesterday R3 was at 167.30, S3 was at 163.99, and today R3 is at 164.88 and S3 is at 162.23. So you see we have R3 is above S3, right? It's above S3, so we have an overlapping value there. Right, overlapping lower value. So with that said, we're looking for some short entries. So let's see what I did today. So I took the R3 breakdown right here. Took that R3 breakdown, it came back, it pulled back on me, so I broke even. Then I let it just, it ran off and left me. Came down all the way to S4 at 160.90. We bottom out around here at S5, this S5 level. Came back up and retest S3. So in a downtrend or in a falling market like this with the overlapping lower value, we're looking for a retest of S3 to go short again. So went short here at 161.80, and now I can move my stop down a little bit. I put my stop above upper VWAP here. This is this red line right here, and now we're looking to capture probably till 157. I think it's kind of a big target now because we fell all the way from 165, but who knows? Nvidia moves like about, I think it's like average about $10 a day sometimes, like if it's really moving. So we could probably get this move today, you know what I'm saying? And it's feeling a lot better now that I'm really sticking to the rules of trading. And I had to break even here. Like I went short at S4, it came back on me as well, so broke even. So I'm managing my risk properly, you know what I'm saying? So it's looking good. It's looking like it's going to work out. You know what I'm saying? Right now, we got to watch this 159 level, 160. This is lower VWAP here as well. 160.14. Let's see. Let me pull this across. See, we got the time and sales going here. I'm not seeing a lot of purple orders going in. That's my bid orders. So, excuse me, I gotta be mindful of that, I gotta keep, so we got some bids coming in, but we still getting some kind of indecision here, we bouncing off of this 160.50 level. Right now on the level 2, the bids just outweighed the ask, but it's still kind of even. So also right now, Mr. Powell is speaking, so he's testifying in Congress or something like that. So things could be a little tricky, you know what I'm saying? And right now I'm thinking maybe I should set my stop to break even because you never know what could happen here. Because with this push down, we didn't even get to lower VWAP. I'm not liking that price action at all. So we're retesting VWAP right now at 161.64. We got up to 162, rejected 162. Nice volume coming in. Our vol is at 95%. That should have been a little higher to, at least 100%. Volume is at 11 million for the day. So let's see how it goes. Let's see what the Qs is doing. Right, the Qs is kind of, it moved back into value. We're kind of in the middle of value right now, losing VWAP, so still bouncing back above VWAP, so it's a little tricky, man. This trade is a little tricky. I might have to hold on to this a little while for it to materialize, you know. Gotta have some nerves of steel. You're willing to lose and willing to for it to hit my stop loss, because when you enter a trade, it's you should think of your stop loss like that's what you're gonna pay to get in this trade. It's like they say, nothing is free. So instead of looking at it as a stop loss, look at it like that's what you pay to get into this trade. And sometimes the trade might be free and you might make a profit. It wouldn't hit your stop loss, you know what I'm saying? But if it does hit your stop loss, just look at it like, you know, that's the price of admission. You know what I'm saying? You gotta pay to play. That's the name of the game. So we back up at my entry level at 161.80, bouncing around VWAP. Let's see what the floor pivot chart is looking like. We got a pivot level up here at 164.1. S1 is at 161.36. That's this light blue line right here. So we kind of finding some support here at S1. Probably gonna hit my stop, so still might be a red day, man. My original stop was up here, but since we moved down, I moved my stop to just above this level, so it looks like it's just pulling back. So this is making a higher low. So the low was right here. We got this low right here, and we're probably gonna go bullish. Who knows? The Qs is looking a little weak though. We got an indecision candle on the previous 5 minute, and then we have some wick rejection at 282.80, and that's at R3. So maybe R3 is trying to keep a cap on it, you know. Maybe we might move back down to lower VWAP on the Qs at 280.66. If we get that move, then Nvda is gonna fail nicely and we'll get the nice move. If not, I'm about to get stopped out. Alright, and there we have it, man. Another red day, you know what I'm saying? So I'm sticking to the rules, man, and you know what I mean, things is a little tricky right now, man. I haven't had a winning day in I think it's 6 days now. So the red streak continues. Maybe I might jump into another trade, but I gotta see. All in all though, I'm happy with these trades. These trades aren't bad trades. Stuck to the rules, and it just didn't work out as per recently. I'm sticking to the rules and it's not working out so well, but I gotta keep my trading psychology intact. You know what I mean? You can't get down on yourself for obeying the rules. This is something that is gonna help you in the long run, you know. So I'm putting it out there, letting everybody see. You know what I mean? When I was on my winning streak, I'm posting it and I'm happy, and you know what I mean? I'm glad that things are going my way. And a lot of YouTubers, they don't post their losses, you know what I'm saying? So I'm posting everything. So you can see my struggle. You can see how it's like from now on, a year from now, you'll see on my channel, things might be a little different, you know what I'm saying? So just stick with me on the journey. You'll see how it goes. So we got right back up to S. What was that? S2, 162.70. 162.67 was S2. This is S2 right here. This gray line. Let's see, is it good for another short? If we break below S3 again, maybe I might take another short. The ask on the level 2 is looking heavier though, so I'll hold off on that for a little bit. I'm not seeing no purple coming in on the tape over here, so it's buying happening right now. Alright, we got the purple coming in. Just a little trickle here and there. Level 2 is still looking bullish. So yeah, we're going to stay out of that. For it to really go bullish, we got to break above 163.24. That's upper VWAP, this red line right here. And then it's definitely probably going to just come back to R3 at 164.88. Let's see, what time is it? It's 10:21. Maybe another trade might materialize around 11 o'clock. But this is kind of forming a typical day pattern where we get this huge sell-off at the open, and then the responsive buyers are just going to come back, push it to the middle, and we're just going to move basically sideways for the rest of the day, or probably just come back down to around S4 or something like that. But it's basically a flush at the open, and then it comes back into value. That's what they consider a typical day. So we get the flush, big movement at the open, and then you get this push back up into value, and then it just moves around in this area. And let's see what kind of retracement we have in here. Let's use a fib line. So right now we are at the 50% level. 38% is at 163. So let's see. Our vol is still at 95%. We had 12 million shares volume. Let's see what's gonna happen here at S1. And right now, if I take a short here, it's only to come back down to probably the lows, or to lower VWAP at 160.22. So let's see what happens here. But the level 2 is still bullish though. We might possibly get up to R3. Seeing some rejection here at upper VWAP. Upper VWAP is this red line right here. That's upper VWAP right there. Let's see, a decent short would be a break back below S3. And right now the level 2 has flipped bearish. So if we break below S3, I'm gonna take that short. Rejecting off of the 50% fib right there. That's also S2 at 162.67. Alright, so we bouncing back up. Let's see what you do. Because I like this rejection right here off of upper VWAP. Because we gotta break above this to be bullish. Or is this, you see, this is the low. This is a higher low. And will this be another higher low? Let's see what she does. Right, it's looking like the bulls are persistent. They wanna retry this level here again. And somehow I think my my fib levels are kind of flipped, because if I'm pulling this fib from up here to down here, 38% should be at this level, this is 50%, and this is the 61% retracement. So I don't know what's going on with that. Let me see if I can adjust that. Yeah, it's looking like that's interesting. Because it's supposed to be the higher it retraces is the higher the percentage. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to check out that when I'm off doing this live stuff. Right, so we're looking like we bullish, man, because the level 2 is heavy on the arcs. On the arc side, we have a heavy ask at 160. What is that? It flickers around so fast. 164. So we're getting that wick rejection. So I think it's really ending up like a typical day, man, because we're just gonna bounce around here. They're just gonna entice traders to kind of go long, go short, go, like I'm looking to go short. These traders who running up here, they're looking to go long. We want to break out, you know what I'm saying? So, and then they just stick right there. They wouldn't even go anywhere. Just move around between this 164 and probably 161 level. But if you do break below S3 again, I'm going short again. And I'm going to put my stop right here at 163.45 or 163.50. 60, yeah, 60 is a good measure. That should give it enough room. Come on, Powell, say something crazy so we can get that flush down. Tell them you're raising the interest rates by five by, let's say, how much would that be? 75 is right now they're doing 75, so let's say if you raise it by 200, then the market will go crazy. They'll just sell everything. And sometimes, like when beers, like I'm a beer bias kind of guy, so I'm looking for the shorts and stuff like that. And a lot of people feel some type of way when you expect the market to sell off and stuff like that. They're like, man, they just feel some type of way about it. But it's just part of trading. The market moves up and down, up and down. You know what I'm saying? So, we got some bids coming in, man. So they shouldn't really take it personal, man. You know what I'm saying? We had a bull run for like a whole year and a half since COVID. So if you're getting some pullback, you know what I mean, accept it. Take it like a man, you know what I'm saying? It's natural and healthy for the market. And if you're a bull, just look at it like you're getting some bargain prices. Right, so these two candles right here are the first sign of the weak run up. It could still push higher, but these are still signs to look out for. I mean, if you're a bear like me, this is the kind of stuff you look at. And if you're a bull, you should look at that too, like, okay, maybe I should start partialing, and you know what I mean, especially at upper VWAP. If you took the reversal, then great job, man. You know what I'm saying? Great job. But at this point now, start taking some partials. Let's see, what time is it? It's 10:32. So we got 2 more minutes in this candle right here, and we're seeing the weakness developing there again. So will it push through or will it fail? Like, I'm liking these wick rejections right here, right at upper VWAP, and this fib line right here, I'm liking that. So now if we break below this S3 level right here, that's a good short. Nice. Okay. Alright, the level 2 flip bearish. We got a big bid at 162.50. We still have a big ask at 164. What is that? 164.25. Yeah, 164.25. So maybe we'll do a liquidity grab, 164.25 up to here, boom, and reject. Maybe not. Which one you gonna go to first, 162.50 or 164.25? And it's looking like we might go for the bid. Alright, I'm taking this short right here and I'm gonna put my stop at 163.72 because the bid is bearish and we're looking like we're about to, let's see, stop at, let's see, 163.81. Alright. And let's see, let's target 160.50. Alright, let's see what it does. And let's see how much trades I've taken for the day. 1, 2, 3. So this is gonna be my last one because these are break-even trades here. 1 and 2. Oh, let me pull out the epic pen. So break-even-ish, break-even, 1 loss. And let's see what this one does. So those two break-evens don't really count because ain't nothing happening in the P&L. So I'm gonna count this one here as one trade, and I'm gonna take 2 trades because nothing is really happening right now. We're looking at probably a typical day. So the most I could expect really is a move back down to 160.50. But maybe Uncle Powell might say something crazy and, you know, get that flush down. If I see the volatility come in and we really pushing down, then I might extend my stop to like S5 159.36, 159.50, somewhere around here. All right, now the ask is kind of flipping to the asks on the level 2. So it's a little tricky, man. Yeah, and I think I lost my big bid on the level 2 as well. So he left. Looks like he gave up. So if he gave up, it looks like I'm gonna have to give up too, man. So if we break above upper VWAP, I might close before we get to 163.81. Right now the Qs is pushing up on it. It has 3 wicked out candles right there at what is that, 283.80, 283.77. So can the Qs push through that? I don't think so. There's a lot of resistance there. Even the SPY is making lower lows and a lot of wicks at from 377.14, 376.95 and 376.91, and now we just wicked out here again at 376.76. so it's not really looking too strong to me, so let's see what it does. Right now the level 2 is looking bullish, so we're about to get stopped out probably. And there it goes. Alright, so they got me. And what happened here, man? Why is my order not filling? I had to manually do that. I don't know what's going on with DAS Trader Pro, man. Anyway, that's my trades for today. This one here went short. Okay, so let's see what mistakes, if any critique I could do here. I went short above VWAP. So VWAP is support. You know, VWAP is a high volume area, so I should probably wait until you lose VWAP. But looking at the wick rejection here, took that as a sign, and we're below S3, so I took the loss of S3. So maybe I could have taken the loss of VWAP to I guess for confirmation, you know. And let's see, maybe I should have stopped out on the, maybe that should have been a break-even trade as well, because once we reclaim VWAP, I should have probably just stopped out right there. But you know, I put it above this area right here, so I just let it stop out. And this one, I was looking at this right here. Nice rejection off of upper VWAP. And what level is that? Well, it was above S1. S1 is right here, that gray line. So let's see, is there any mistakes here? I guess I should have looked at support at S3, and then another support right here at S3 for the bullishness. But to me, these were outweighing the support, because the wicks right here are much larger than this, you know, and this one. Let's see if anything else. What else could be a mistake right here? I guess maybe I could have just waited to go short here, but to me the risk to reward wouldn't be that great, because I'd have to put my stop up here, right? And then where would my target be? My target was lower VWAP at 160.50. I don't think that works out. That looks like more like a 1-to-1-ish kind of trade. I don't like those trades. I like at least 2-to-1. So I don't know, I don't have too much critique for these trades. I think these trades were alright. If you see something that you wanna critique, feel free to critique it. If you wanna let me know, man, you should give up trading because you can't trade for shit, you know what I mean, you can leave your comments, man. It's all good. But if I do respond, you know what I mean, don't feel no type of way. I might say something slick, you know what I mean. So anyway, it's King Yedidia, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.